Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, in today's podcast, we are going to discuss about an important news article, right? It's regarding pollution and the steps that are taken by the government. So today, we are talking about this pressing issue that's been making headlines in Delhi, the air pollution crisis and something called GRAP. All right, so GRAP, तो इसके बारे में हम आज बात करेंगे. Students, if you live in or near Delhi, you have probably noticed how hazy and smoky the air looks. Or you might have heard your parents and teachers talking about pollution. So, what's actually going on, and why is everyone so concerned? Let's break it down. First thing first. Yes, what is GRAP? Yes, what is GRAP? GRAP stands for Graded Response Action Plan. Okay, Graded Response Action Plan. And it's a set of emergency rules to stop air pollution from getting worse. Okay, so think of it like a ladder. Different steps are taken as the air quality becomes more dangerous. Different steps involved हैं, जैसे एक लैडर की तरह. तो जैसे हम देखते हैं कि लैडर में डिफरेंट स्टेप्स होते हैं, तो एयर पॉल्यूशन से निपटने के लिए जो स्टेप्स लिए जाने जरूरी हैं, वो ग्रेडेड रिस्पॉन्स एक्शन प्लान में कंटेन्ड है. ऑल राइट, सो what are the 4 stages? Yes, total there are 4 stages of graded response action plan. 4 stages, right? Stage 1 is when the air quality is poor. When the air quality is poor. And this happens when the air quality index or AQI is between 201 to 300. Okay, so AQI basically it's like a report card. AQI क्या है? जैसे हम एग्जाम देते हैं तो उसका रिपोर्ट कार्ड आता है. So AQI is like a report card for the air. Higher the numbers mean the air is more polluted. जितना ज्यादा high number होगा, उतनी ज्यादा air polluted होगी. Right? So stage 1 क्या है? Poor. And AQI is between 201 to 300. Then we have stage 2, when the air gets very poor. When the air gets very poor. Okay, and the AQI is in between 301 and 400. Okay, 301 and 400. Then we have stage 3. Stage 3 is when the air quality is severe. Air quality is severe and the AQI is between 401 to 450. 401 to 450. Okay, and the strictest stage is for severe plus. Strictest stage is for severe plus. When the AQI goes beyond 450. When AQI it goes beyond 450. Beyond 450. तो अगर 450 के परे जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा, तो it is severe plus. Right. So that is all about GRAP. Now, on Sunday, what happened? Sunday को क्या हुआ था? Basically, AQI in the Delhi NCR region, that's the National Capital Region, was 441. It was 441. That is dangerously high. And by the evening, it crossed 450. Oh my God. It crossed 450, putting it in the severe plus category. Severe. Just now we have learned severe plus category kaun si hai? More than 450. So this meant GRAP4 had to be activated. Now here's why this is a big deal. GRAP4, yes, GRAP4 is the strictest level of rules to control pollution. It's like pulling the emergency brake on a train. You only do it when things are really, really bad. And, you know, Supreme Court, even the highest apex court of our country, Supreme Court, even scolded the Delhi government, saying that they should have taken steps earlier. And the idea is to act before pollution levels get this bad. ये तो पहले से ही implement होना चाहिए था. इतना delay क्यों हुआ है? Yes, Supreme Court questioned the Delhi government on Monday over the delay in implementing stage 4 of the graded response action plan. Right? And smoke, regarding smoke, please refer to the news article of Saturday. This we have already covered. Right? Now the question is, why is the air so polluted? Air इतनी ज़्यादा polluted क्यों है? See, when we talk about Delhi, during winter, what happens? Delhi often experiences fog. Okay, Delhi often experiences heavy fog. And this fog mixes with the pollution and it traps close to the ground, which is called smog. Right? Smoke basically क्या है? Fog. FOG. Fog plus smoke. Yes. And second factor, which is often talked about, is stubble burning. Farmers in nearby states like Punjab and Haryana, they burn leftover crops, and this burning releases huge amount of smoke into the air. Next, we know that there are many vehicles in Delhi, and cars, trucks, buses, they add to the pollution with their exhaust fumes. Additionally, the dust coming from building and construction sites and smoke from factories make things even worse. And meteorologists say that in the coming days, conditions like variable winds and high humidity will keep the pollution from clearing out quickly. Right? तो अभी तो बात चल ही रही है कि आगे के क्या होगा, लेकिन आप समझो पहले रीजन क्या है, पोल्यूशन लेवल इतना हाई क्यों है दिल्ली एनसीआर रीजन में, एंड व्हाई दिल्ली is considered as one of the polluted cities of the world. Now, what does GRAP4 do? GRAP4 implement करने से क्या होगा? Okay, कुछ तो steps होंगे, right? Students, there are some strict rules that have been put into place when GRAP is imposed, right? So number one is ban on the entry of truck traffic into Delhi. So most trucks are banned from entering Delhi except those carrying essential items like food or medicine. है ना, फूड और मेडिसिन अगर जैसे एसेंशियल आइटम्स है उनको एंट्री अलाउड है, बाकी ट्रक्स की एंट्री बैन है. Electric and CNG trucks are allowed, but only if they meet specific standards. Next, limited construction. Okay, ban on construction and demolition activities. So all construction and demolition work is stopped, and even for big projects like road highway उसको भी बंद कर दिया है कि नहीं जी अब वो भी नहीं होगा. Physical classes for students in grades 6 to 9th and 9th and 11th class might stop, and online classes may start instead. तो 6 to 9th की जो क्लासेस है वो बंद कर दी जाएंगी, और 11th जो क्लास है वो भी बंद कर दी जाएगी, ऑनलाइन क्लास कंडक्ट कराई जाएंगी. Workplaces, when we talk about the people who are goes to office, so offices might operate at 50% capacity, क्योंकि 50% capacity with many people working from home. ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग कोशिश की जाएगी कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम कंटिन्यू करें. ऑल राइट, तो ये है जीआरएपी से जुड़े कुछ स्टेप्स जो कि इंप्लीमेंट किए जाएंगे. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई शुड वी केयर. यू माइट बी वंडरिंग व्हाई डज दिस मैटर टू मी. वेल, breathing polluted air isn't just uncomfortable, it's unhealthy, right? And air pollution can cause many health problems such as coughing, sneezing, headaches, and even long-term health issues like asthma. Kids and older people are especially vulnerable. That's why it's important to follow the rules, even if it means some inconvenience. Now, let's talk about what you can do to help. Right? First is afforestation. This we have covered many times. Planting trees because it cleans the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So we should plant more trees. You can also do some sort of activity that whenever your birthday is around, you can plant the number of trees as per your age. जैसे ही आप जैसे 9 years के हुए तो आप 9 आप प्लांट्स कर सकते हो, प्लांट कर सकते हो, राइट? तो इस तरह की एक्टिविटी आप कर सकते हो अपने बर्थडे पे. एंड इफ second thing that you can also do, if your family can take buses, trains, or carpools instead of driving separate cars, it will also help reducing the uh, smoke from releasing, right, from the vehicles, right? तो public transport prefer करना चाहिए. And most importantly, turning off lights and fans when you don't need them. It reduces the power demand from polluting sources. जैसे कोल प्लांट हो गया, तो जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत नहीं है तो उसको बंद कर दीजिए, right? See, small actions add up to make a big difference. This we always need to remember. छोटे छोटे एक्शंस जो होते हैं वो एक्चुअल में बहुत ज्यादा उसका इम्पैक्ट होता है. Now, finally, what's next for Delhi? See, the government is watching the air quality closely and might make even stricter rules if things don't improve. And they are also encouraging neighboring states, to help by stopping stubble burning and using cleaner fuels. But remember, fixing air pollution isn't just the government's job, it's everyone's responsibility. And that's it for today's episode. We hope you learned something new about GRAP4 and why it is so important to tackle air pollution. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay safe and don't forget to take care of your lungs. They work hard for you every single day. Bye bye. Take care.